In this Blindusk review, I will give you all the information you need to help you decide whether Blindusk's Transition Bundle and Master Bundle are worth it or not. So a few months ago I actually bought Blindusk's Transition Bundle. I would say it's good enough, but definitely not great and not worth the price. And just for you to know that I am not the only one not satisfied with their products, I will share some reviews from other buyers with you. However, for those interested, I highly recommend that you click the first link in the description below to download over 100,000 video editing assets so you can stop paying for expensive assets. Click the first link below. Now, here's what the first customer said about Blindusk. These transitions are not as advertised on their Instagram. They are so beginner and they suck overall. Please do not waste your time and money. Another buyer said, I purchased a transition bundle from Blindusk, but I have been unable to download the files. The system falsely claims I've maxed out my downloads, even though I haven't downloaded anything. I reached out to their support multiple times via email and Instagram, and while they initially said they would assist me in a few hours, days have passed with no response. Now they are completely ignoring me. At this point I feel like I've been scammed. If they can't provide what I paid for, they should at least issue a refund. Beware before purchasing from them. Their lack of accountability and support is unacceptable. Here's what the third customer said. I purchased the transition bundle from them, but for some reason, unfortunately, the paper rip transitions are not working in either After Effects or DaVinci Resolve. They just crashed. I've attempted to download the transition bundle again, which includes updated paper rip transition folders, but the issues persist. I contacted them twice regarding this issue, but haven't received a single reply from them. Zero-level customer support. After they accomplish their goal of selling you their product, they just don't care about their customers. Another user said, terribly organized through Google Drive so it downloads and loads of random batches. The transitions don't really work. Just a load of stock footage. How is that a transition? I also wish I'd read the reviews as I wouldn't have bought it. See, I can keep showing reviews to show you that Blindusk's assets are not really worth it. However, as I mentioned earlier, instead of paying this much for any video editing asset, you can get access to over 100,000 assets to edit your video professionally. Just click on the first link in the description below to access the video editing bundle that saved me from buying all these expensive editing assets. You won't need any other asset again after downloading this one. Check the first link in the description below to access it. Have a lovely day ahead. Peace out.